Hey, good morning. Hope this is an okay position. My blinds broke, so hoping. Um, I'm hoping I can pick some. That's what I'm hoping. You're on the cat post. I don't want you to fall. But yeah, check it. Like it's just flickered. So, so take it down and see what we can see. I guess. Now, upon inspection a couple minutes ago, I think I need Phillips. I think. Do you wish you could see? I do. Hmm. Interesting, right? Well, I'm gonna guess this one. It is the one. Alright. I need to get a couple more things, like a little dish for my screws, and there's only three of them. I'll be right back. Okay. One more screw, and then the whole thing should just drop. Unaccompanied, unhindered, unsupported, even. I know this because the other side already dropped. Ah, son of a gun. So do I try to repair the blind? Do I switch it up to a curtain? Just the question. I do know. Um, shoot, I want daylight. Oh no, they're plants. Fuck, with water. Not thinking. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, so I just knocked a plant of water over. Mercy, mercy, mercy me. Okay, so, shit. Now what is it I tell you guys? RV and water don't mix. Water and radios don't mix. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, it's down there. Jiminy Jacksy. Oh, where's the plant out of there? Oh, it's just on the floor. Boy, oh boy. Didn't think that through, did I, guys? All right. Water back into this guy. Okay, then. Ow. Goodness. Got the blinds down. Made a complete mess in the process. Good job, girl. Thank you. Thank you very much. Need to figure out how to undo these. Let me just get the water cleaned up here first, please. Wood, water, RVs, water. They don't really mix, you know. Not like oil and water, where they just don't mix up together. It was very stormy here last night as well. So, let me show you like a little job I gotta do and see if oh my gosh, see if I can't just muddle the whole thing. In the meantime, yeah, I gotta pull this table out some. Yeah, there's some water down there. Okay. Well, sugar pops. Okay then, a little bit of moisture in your life. Glad they're checking on things. It's usually me, and it's not. And it doesn't matter. Over there at the RV. Okay. Back to what I was doing here. Before I made a mask. A wet mask, anyway. Alright. Looks like I have a knot in this line here. That I need to untie. So sad over this. So, do I try to repair this blind? Or do we switch up to drapes, curtains, whatever you want to call them? Come on now. Oof, it's going to take a minute or two. Probably I'd pause you and then get back to you. All right. I can't figure out the strings. Like I have all this here, right? It's all extra. But then I untied this side as well. And then where the heck did they go? Right? So, dang it, I can't figure out which way they're weaved through, what's connected. I think they're all connected. I think they're connected. Over here, somewhere. Anyway, that's, I just realized it ran through the bottom here, so I'm going to have a look and see if it's running through here. Man, if I don't figure it out, I guess I'm going to hang up curtains. I mean, a change is as good as a rest, they say, right? I mean, I can start my remodeling and painting and doing whatever I want now because I'm paid for. So, right, mortgage free on this place anyway. Still a little bit more to pay on the borrowing for it, but like the roof, the outside roof, and a couple other bits. But yeah, okay. Well, wish me luck in figuring that out. I will get back to you. Okay. Okay. Ah, I can't figure it out. The weave, okay, comes down, around, it comes down, through, up, down, through, up, down. I started to weave it. I did get this one, managed to get this one rethreaded here, but I have this extra. So, I think what I'll do, instead of trying to fix this, I will take this one down and put it on that window. I will go purchase a curtain rod and maybe some curtains for this window above the dining room table. Hopefully the flow will be okay, either that or I'm going to take that one down and do both windows here with rod and curtains. Fiddlesticks. Probably this one, the dining room one above the dining room table, I think will be the one with the curtains. Or all three. I don't know yet. I'm going to have some food because I'm hungry. And see if I can't get my house back together before it gets too cold in the afternoons. Because it's that time of year where I really want to be able to block out the cold from the windows. Snappy. Oh, well, I mean, really, this thing is what? 2008, I believe. Yeah. So, where are we? 2022, pushing 2023, so, 12, 15. It's understandable that the strings are starting to rot and fray. Totally understandable. But I think I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to have some food, and then I'm going to go shopping. And probably be a two-parter because I'm going to have to go do things. So when I come back, I will do another one, figure out what I'm going to do another video, and show you what I come up with. Okay, in the meantime, I have no blind on this window. I know this is kind of like a fuckery. Like, do I take this down too? If I do that, I have to do them all. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eight windows just in this area alone with this valance stuff, right? I mean, I guess that one wouldn't be too terrible to leave and then take all of those ones down. Or just hang a fucking curtain in behind it. I think so. Deciding what color to go with, I think, right? Maybe a burgundy. Make things pop a little because we do have some here. Turn a light on, blow a fucking breaker again. That's not what happened. My converter kicks out. If I run my furnace, my fridge, and a light on the 12 volt, it pops my converter. I don't know. Anyway, color. Back to the color. I'm thinking maybe this maroon would be a nice tie-in. Okay, I can go green, beige, maroon, or white. Cream. Well, I guess the cream would tie in with the blinds. I will figure it out. Okay, interior decorating is not my thing, so I'm gonna go shopping after I eat. I will be back, and we'll figure out what the heck we're gonna do with the next step. Because this mess, it's a mess. Yeah. Anyway, okay, bye for now. Have a good day.